First, the top news headlines. MCP share concern over mental health problem in children at CCIs. US Embassy in Baghdad urges citizens to depart Iraq immediately. Assam rifle recovers contraband drugs worth ₹4 crore at Indo-Myanmar border. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. A one-day review meeting cum consultation on children in need of care and protection CNCP at Child Care Institution CCI was held today at the lamjingbatomtv, Imphal. The event was jointly organized by Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights MCP-CR and Seva Bharati Manipur in association with National Commission for Protection of Child Rights NCP-CR. During the program, MCP-CR chairperson Sumati Balaning Thosam expressed serious concern over mental health problems in the children due to carelessness and mistreatment they tend to face at care institutions. She mentioned about these children's feeling of insecure and uncertain about their future. She also said that the Commission has been conducting search awareness program in collaboration with officials of Social Welfare Department at Child Care Institution CCIs in the state. Further, Sumati Bala said that the Commission has learned that some institutions strictly follow the Juvenile Justice Act while some others don't, due to which children at such institutes are deprived of vocational training and face various issues. Under the Ministry of Women and Child Development, there are around 36 non-governmental organizations and 5 children homes in Manipur, which include a government-run observation home and a children home, the MCPR chairman said. She said that the Commission is taking up steps to keep a check on the mental health problem in inmates of CCIs.
Tungi yumbi oidoriba adagi tungi asama yamama CCIs de lejaraga su CCIs de leibangang kayama kogi doctor oiba yaukri army oiba yaukri adagi achaw asang yamama Manipur gi pha kogi sanaroi oiba bhau yaukri ko adu moida homely environment phangdabana maram oiraga pharakado angang yamama su mangdana leiba yauri bako adu sigumba angang sing ase kamain tawraga moida hidia chumba lambi asengba lambi ko adagi piriba jeje ekna piriba niti niyom se kamain tawraga chalalaga makhoi sing asibu batungi afaba yumbi ama semgadage haibasigi sida pandam thamjaraga ngasigi asumba program ase pangthokjaban.
Today's event was also attended by senior technical expert of NCP-CR Northeast Cell Paresa, Social Welfare Department Director NG Uttam, MCP-CR members CH Anita and RK Sumitra. Paresa said that the event was part of the review meeting cum consultation program being conducted in other Northeast states to identify and improve mental health problem in children at CCIs.
Today's program is a focus on rehabilitation aspects of children who are in CCIs and also catering to their mental health needs. So that's the primary focus. Often it has been noted that the JJ Act 2015 and its Model Rules 2016 has very beautifully prescribed, very nicely documented that what all should be there in a CCI. We have several CCIs actually running in Manipur across Pan-India. We have observed that in many of the CCIs, certain things which should be there from the perspective of the rehabilitation and
The US Embassy in Baghdad today urged American citizens in Iraq to depart immediately for fear of fallout from a US strike that killed top Iranian commander of the Islamic Republic Quds Force, General Qasem Soleimani, in Baghdad, a media report said. Soleimani was one of the most popular figures in Iran and seen as a deadly adversary by America and its allies. Top Iraqi militia commander Abu Mahdi Mohandis, an advisor to Soleimani, was also killed in the attack. Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei vowed severe revenge after the move. He said martyrdom was the reward for his ceaseless efforts in all these years, in the reference to Soleimani, also declaring 3 days of mourning. Khamenei called Soleimani the international face of the resistance and said he was killed by the cruelest of those on earth. All people who backed the resistance would be his avengers, he added. Iran has been locked in a long conflict with the United States that escalated sharply last week with an attack on the U.S. embassy in Iraq by pro-Iranian militiamen following a U.S. air raid on the Kataib Hezbollah militia founded by Mohandis. At the direction of the president, the U.S. military has taken decisive defensive action to protect U.S. personnel abroad by killing Qasem Soleimani, the Pentagon said in a statement. The strike was aimed at deterring future Iranian attack plans, the statement added. A team of Mori Battalion Assam Rifles recovered contraband drug worth rupees 3.74 crore near border pillar 78 yesterday. According to reports, troops of Jawangphai outpost Assam Rifle was round the clock for area domination along the border on the eve of New Year. Around 9 p.m. yesterday, the team spotted an unknown individual suspected to be a Myanmar national trying to sneak into Indian site. When the Assam Rifles team challenged him, the person retreated and immediately fled towards Myanmar site. The individual dropped a bag while fleeing towards Myanmar site. On checking the bag, the Assam Rifles team recovered 5 packets of suspected methamphetamine ice drug weighing about 5 kg and valued around rupees 3.75 crore. The recovered drugs were handed over to Mori police station for necessary legal action, a report said. Dean of Students' Welfare, Manipuri University, Professor T.H. Ratan Kumar Singh today stressed on the need for the student community to have a sacrificial spirit to ensure overall well-being of the society. He said this during the 18th Foundation Day celebration of Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, DESAM at GM Hall, Imphal. Professor Ratan Kumar urged that during early stages of life, one should work hard with strong determination and enthusiasm to achieve goal. He said that the present level of education system in Manipur is the mistake of the past. The event was held on the theme Improving Learning Outcomes Goals for Strategic Reforms and Intervention. Dean of Students' Welfare, Manipur University, Professor T.H. Ratan Kumar Singh, DESAM President Salam Akas, DESAM Founder President Laishram Ramesh Paite, ANSAM President Joseph Adani and AIMS President Kumuzam Roman also attended the program.
19th century मोइसे धर्म की बड़ी लेनबा लाइक तमरम संगोइना तौरगा हौजिके लेको मॉडर्न एजुकेशन की कंसेप्ट नते अदा आइना हाइसे की दिसिनी एजुकेशन से मसी खक्कर मोइसे कन्बा नगने ना ब्रिटेन से एजुकेशन द यामना खवाय आवलेबा एजुकेशन से मोइ आंपा पने एम्फेसिस भी अदगी 19th century दगी मोइसे तसे एजुकेशन ऑफ द इंद्र अदगी मोइ चौकट लेबा अन जर्मनी ये भी जापान ये भी पृथ्वी की चौकट लेबा से 100% educated garden basics ana education ka amna lebak si soccer player india si mi yami lebak su yam sawi india ki pothok le india ki human resource yam sawi education phajana le re india se yam pithvi ki world power be available.
And now we have a short commercial break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
28 December 2019 to 6 January 2020.
Festival asigi manung chalna
Thang Ta,
blood donation camp, mukna painting competition,
musical night,
solo dance competitions,
Likon,
Miss Singju Queen 2020. Lamdam asida khundaminariba furup kayagi cultural programs su pangthokjaragani.
Singju Festival 2020.
Singju Festival 2020.
lamdam asida khundaminariba isna punamakna
Soidana saruk yaba lakpi. Wangjing Kodong Popi Lampakta pangthokjaragani.
Lamdam asigi miyamna saruk yabiduna festival asibu mapung phanbi.
Menta Events is organizing Menta Fest 2019-20 from 31st December to 9 January 2020 at Waroi Garden, Laimaram. Co-powered by Kangla Construction in association with Career Info Solution. Enjoy the indigenous foods of Sekmai, Andhro, Laimaram, and many others. Experienced international chefs from across the globe. 10% off barbecue nights, bye-bye and New Year special. Tickets available at the following stores. Come and explore the beauty of the garden. Menta Events to rejuvenate the economy of Kanglei Park.
Welcome back. The annual Recovery Meet of Healing Point Integrated Rehabilitation Center for Addiction (IRCA) was held today at the Yoga Hall of Ananda Singh Yoga and Nature Cure Research Hospital, Kakching, Chumnang Machin Manau, Ching. The event was organized by Manipuri Yoga and Nature Cure Association, Kakching. The program was attended by Kakching District Superintendent of Police, Victoria Yingkom, Chief Functionary of Manipur Yoga and Nature Cure Association, Kakching Dr. M. Rajkumar, and Director of Manipur Social Welfare Department, Ngangom Uttam. A number of former drug users during the program shared their stories on how the center has helped them in making them better persons. Talking at the event, N.G. Uttam underlined on the need on every individual in the society to understand about the drug issues. He also explained about the state government's efforts in fighting against drugs and urged everyone to stay away from intoxicants.
War on drug haidana hujik paaliba sarkar china honari mamangi sahidagi nisa laitraba Manipur semlasi haidana tonganba program ama paikhanaba honari masina ayamba akhena prevention da focus tawbani.
The proscribed Kanglei Park Communist Party KCP People's War Group has said that the ban imposed on Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur by the outfit is still in force. The outfit has imposed the ban following the mysterious death of Ningthosam Baby Sanachanu at the school boarding on June 18 last year. In a press release today, the outfit informed that it is investigating the case to find out the wrongdoers. KCP People's Wars Group also asked the teaching and non-teaching staffs of the school, those who are in the school van service and the management team of the institute, to cooperate with the outfit in finding the real culprits. It also informed all parents and guardians of Standard Robert to take admission of their children in other schools by the end of this month. About 65 acres of illegal poppy plants were destroyed at Kaubru Hill range under Saparmaina police station in Kangpokpi district today. The drive was conducted by a joint team of narcotics and FAs of Borders NAF, Narcotics Control Bureau NCB, 4th and 5th India Reserve Battalion IRB Special Commando and Kangpokpi District Police. The drive was carried out under the supervision of Superintendent of Police NAF, W. Basu, a report said. In a tragic incident, a person was killed and another injured following a road accident in the wee hours today at Sunisifai under Bishnupur district. The fatal road mishap happened around 1 a.m., a report said. The deceased has been identified as Thangzam Ajao, aged 27 years, son of Santa of Irilbung Kabui village, while the injured has been identified as Pakpao Kamai, aged 28 years, son of Paugalung Kamai from a neighboring village of Irimbung Kabui village. He is undergoing treatment at RIMS Imphal. Irate members of Ward number 10 Moirang Kuno Lekai Merapaibi block the Mayai Lambi Road at Ward number 10 Moirang Kuno Lekai under Moirang Municipal Council after the government fails to repair the road section despite repeated appeal. Ward number 10 Moirang Koiru Lekai Merapaibi secretary in Thaba Devi said that they had requested the local MLA P. Sarat Chandra on December 30 to repair the road, which has become a menace to the public, especially the elders and school-going students. But the MLA has turned a deaf ear. However, on his own volition, former MLA M. Prithviraj Singh has announced to donate 5 loads of sand and stone for the road improvement work, he said.
Yengdaba taraga di lambi simi am tatala laroi hari ba poche thingasi haina ekoi gi mara paibina madu thora kanda lai ex MLA Prithviraj na damaina wari sabi rei thawai am nungai upi ekoi na harau jei maram di kai gi no haibda mana sungai jo haido mangonda mana gari mapot manga hairani har pasigi pau tabada mitagi pibau tani adu auju pali ba koi MLA sina masada chalu ro ngata di lengbi roi bo yeng ra haibo ngasi yaw ya I just call that order like the say, Tamanga through the Tari. Who book have on the pirate. I did Marie never be back than Pimam Sangatanda. No quasi PWD, no CMO, Hibagi, order later, bra. Go mend the Nona Talib and have it back PWD Sanga for what you san. Masitang Ohumni, Haying Marini, Hankin Mangani, Tamanga, Sibogi, Manung, the Topi, the Taragadi, a quite PWD Tonkin.
Acting on a tip-off, a team of Lilong police led by Sub-Inspector K. Santosh Singh arrested a vehicle lifter on January 2 from Ataukar was located near Lilong oil pump. Reportedly, the man has been identified as Muhammad Amir Khan, aged 27 years, son of Muhammad Nasir Khan of Lilong Hauribi, Sambrumakung. The corps also recovered a stolen Royal Enfield bullet which does not have registration number from his possession. A regular case has been registered at Lilong Police Station in this regard, a police report said. Associate Professor of DM College of Teachers Education, who is also the winner of Popular Queen of Universe 2019 title, Konika Kurazim, extended 8 to 1 RK Alex, a budding artist of classic form of leaf painting. Alex is from an economically backward family. And now we have another short commercial break.
Kurumjari Lamjingba Finance na makal khudingmaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment singeba loan pizari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani
amadi adom gi achinba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano makal khudimaki gari ke asu bandan lawzare Christmas ke oiba khadaba offer su pizari
akupa marol gi damakta lengsinbirau Lamjingba Finance Nagamapa Rims Road opposite Nityananda Temple natragana
Lamjingba Finance Uripok Hawam Diwan Lekai
Ekoi gi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipurna pung kunmari chupna miyam gi seba tawzari ambulance service asina miyam da pizari ba service sing di yum dagi hospital da pukhatpa hospital dagi yum da puthaba hospital amadagi hospital amada puba yum thang nariba state sing da anaba sing puba amadi lawba loinana India gi mafam khudimakta chatpa yarba air ambulance ki service asina chingmani Masida natana lambigi accident ta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyam gi mateng pangjari adom sunga simak sep taushin biu aikhoi gi contact number 9205987988 natraga play store sangbiduna Madeline F download tobiu.
Welcome back. Temporary Mau market was today opened at Lamsang Bazaar amid rainfall. It was jointly organized by Mau Imphal Coordination Committee and the Progressive Youth Association Lamsang Market. Talking to media, Mau Women Business Union President Kapaini urged the Manipur government to build a permanent Mau market, seated in Imphal considering the plight of Mau vendors.
Mafam afaba amada nungsina pigani haibase ekhoi hop tawraga leibane ado ngasidi ekhoi amuga phajana chot khare aduna yam nungsi biro thun athuba matamda nungsi biro haibase ekhoina ipai ma oiba ekhoi ge mau Manipur ge luchingbi sing ge siam ge mafam dasu amuka hanna ningsing jari haibase aina haijare.
In the backdrop of nationwide protests over the Citizenship Amendment Act CAA and the proposed All India National Register of Citizens NRC, Union Minister of the State in the PMO, Dr. Jitendra Singh today said that the centre's next step would be the deportation of Rohingyas from the country. According to media reports, Jitendra Singh said this during a function in Jammu. The Union Minister also emphasized that the Citizen Amendment Act had become applicable in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir the day it was passed by the Parliament, pointing out that Jammu had a sizable population of Rohingyas. A list would be prepared and their biometrics would also be collected, Jitendra added. And now we have the sports news. "11-year-old Derek Moirangthem of Manipur has won the Mr. South India title at the Mr. and Miss Little South India 2019 held at Hotel Otera of Bangalore on 30th of December. The event was organized by Magnitude. Derek is the son of Somerendra Moirangthem and Minota Moirangthem of Yai School, Sawai Jamlairap, Imphal. On course to seal a berth for the Tokyo Games, former Indian world champion Mirabai Chanu maintained her 8th spot in the Olympic qualifiers ranking list released by the International Weightlifting Federation IWF yesterday. As per media reports, in the race for Olympic qualification, the 25-year-old who competes in the 49 kg category has gathered 2,966.6406 ranking points till now. Department of Physical Education and Sports Science, Manipur University, Kanchipur, in association with Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association, MMTA Minithong, and MS Adventure Northeast India, Imphal, will organize the first Children Winter Adventure Sports Game, non-residential, from 6 to 12 of this month for the students of class 3 to 9. This was informed through a press release today from Department of Physical Education and Sports Science, Manipur University. Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. MCP share concern over mental health problem in children at CCIs. US Embassy in Baghdad urges citizens to depart Iraq immediately. And Assam Rifle recovers contraband drugs worth ₹4 crore at Indo-Myanmar border. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update, and good night.